Check this thing out, guys. This guy built this thing from everything he had in his backyard, literally. He even stole the chains off the tow trucks. Got the big old fat wide boys back there. Check out the chain steering wheel and the saw blade. Now that's tits. A piston shifter. That is titties, guys. He's done everything to this car, man. Everything to this car. Look at that. Wait, I think I hear somebody. I think I hear, who the hell is that? What's up, man? What's up? We got like a mirror going on here with cameras. Vlog on vlog, baby. Check out his channel. What's your channel?
That guy Dub. Y'all check it out, man. Also, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button if you're new on RedNeck's channel too, man.
That's right. They got to get them subscribe buttons and them view counts up. That's right.
Man. Let's run it up.
Yeah, it's a pretty neat car, I'd say. Yep.
I like it.
That's diesel power too.
Yeah.
He's got a Zuzu diesel on there. Check out the overflow bottle. Yep, Jack Daniels. That's the only thing to use, really. Heck yeah, guys. Looking good. The woodwork is top notch back here. Got some good woodwork back here.
Hey, Redneck, you see the bottle of Jack Daniels? Look at there.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I just pointed out to everybody. Yeah. License plate, floorboard. Yeah.
That is slick. Watch behind you.
Ooh, man. Pay attention to cameras and not the ground. Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah, Lee, I'm looking for you, and then you're over there licking the ice cream.
And I said he's not even paying attention to me.
No, I knew where you was at. I ain't dumb.
I didn't get anything.
Yeah, right. Why are you doing that to my viewers? You need to be nice to them. You have fans.
I don't have fans.
You got fans.
That's a pretty car coming in.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like this thing.
I know, it's cool.
Yeah.
I can go sit under it. Why can't I go sit under a tree where it's shady?
All right, you do that. it's dark out here, guys, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Stopped at the car show today, went and cruised some back roads. I didn't get any footage of the back roads like I wanted to. I thought we was going to hit up the back roads, but it's late. It's like 10:30 at night. We're going to head home. Look at that beast behind me. Man, is she sick. If you ain't got a CFMOTO, you better go get you a CFMOTO. And on top of that, meet us at the ride next month, May 18th to the 22nd at Tecumseh Trails in Ohio. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. God bless. Hit the subscribe button. Click that thumbs up button. And leave me a comment if you like this little video. I know I wasn't too interactive in it, but I figured we're just cruising today. Peace.